fabulous 267. Welcome to another day of Vlogween. So, today we're gonna be opening day number 10 on the advent calendar. And I'm also gonna talk about my crochet projects while we're doing that. So, I started making a turtle today. And I'm gonna be working on the blanket. So, yeah, I don't have anything to show you tonight as far as the crochet stuff because I haven't finished anything. I have turtle pieces, but not a turtle. So, yeah. Anyway, to the pieces from the advent calendar, we have 3 black pieces and 1 gold. So, curved piece, a black pole, and then we have a dot. And here's the gold one. It is another one that looks like a vent cover. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna add those to the bag when the camera cuts. I forgot to grab the bag, so yeah. I'm not gonna get that until after I turn off the camera. So there's not really much else to talk about. I'll be back in just a minute, but yeah, while I'm gone, I'm gonna take my medicine and also finish the posts for yesterday's video, which actually didn't go up until maybe like 5 this morning. So, yeah. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So, I totally forgot that I have some things to taste test. So, I'm actually gonna go ahead and try these peelers. We have lychee, passion fruit, and kiwi tonight. Alright, there's the inside. Okay, doesn't really taste like anything. Okay. So, yeah, that was the lychee flavor that we just tried. Here goes the passion fruit. Now, the passion fruit are one of the ones with chia seeds in it, so we're going to try that. Okay. So this one didn't quite work, but we're going to try it. We're going to taste it anyway. Okay. Okay, not bad. The chia seeds give it a nice little crunch, which I actually kind of like. But let's go ahead and try the kiwis. Okay, I will say the kiwi one worked a lot better than the passion fruit one for some reason. I don't know. I think the passion fruit one got a little melted somehow. I'm not sure. Okay, so yeah, the chia seeds really add to the kiwi one. It just really makes it feel like the texture of a kiwi. but it doesn't really taste like kiwi. But the texture is pretty on point with the chia seeds in there. So anyway, that's the taste test, and to the outro. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, I didn't actually take my medicine, but here's what I did do today while I take it. So I did my laundry. As I mentioned earlier, I worked on a turtle, and I was supposed to go driving today, but that didn't happen. I was a bit tired, so didn't do that. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow instead, and I will update you on how that goes. But my current goal is to practice either driving or parking at least once a week. So that's what I'm trying to do. And we need laundry detergent. So we're going to do that tomorrow. And I'm also going to look for some drink mixes. Like the ones that go in the waters. So yeah, that's the plan for tomorrow. And anyway, yeah, I think that's it. I did watch Nightmare Before Christmas earlier today, so just thought I'd bring that up. And that's a spooky season favorite. But yeah, anyway, if you liked this short video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you want, you can check out my links in the description or by scanning the QR code at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and above all else, stay fabulous. Bye!